The DNA sequence for the protein is at the top. The coding strand of DNA will match the transcribed mRNA, however, thymine will be replaced with uracil. The mRNA strand produced by transcription is found below. This strand would be considered the wild type because it contains no mutations. The mRNA then undergoes translation where the corresponding amino acids are matched. Translation begins with the start or met codon and ends with the stop codon, which does not add an additional amino acid to the sequence. I'm going to show 4 different point mutations on the original DNA sequence, where one base will be substituted in the original sequence. The base that is altered will be indicated by a green box. The first type of point mutation is called a missense mutation. The base substitution causes a change in the amino acid during translation. In this case, adenine was substituted for thymine. The original amino acid was changed due to this mutation. Since a pyrimidine was changed to a purine base, this mutation is considered a transversion. The second type of point mutation is called a nonsense mutation. The base substitution causes the original amino acid to become a stop codon. This causes translation to come to an end, making the amino acid sequence shorter. In this case, guanine was replaced with adenine, therefore a purine was replaced with another purine. This is considered a transition. The third type of point mutation is called a silent mutation, where the base that is changed still causes the same amino acid to be translated as the original sequence. Thymine was replaced with cytosine in this case, meaning that the pyrimidine was substituted with another pyrimidine. This is another example of a transition. The final type of point mutation is called a read-through. A read-through substitution causes a stop codon to be changed to another amino acid. The amino acid sequence then becomes longer because translation does not stop with the same codon. However, in this example, the original DNA sequence had another stop codon a few amino acids down, causing translation to end. This mutation substitution was adenine replaced with cytosine, which is a purine replaced with a pyrimidine. This was a transversion mutation. All of the information used to create this video can be found in the Module 5 lecture slides for this class. All of the illustrations were created by myself.